Hey Tinkers, it's Mr. Patrick here from the Pleasant Hill Library with a nice simple project to get us started on our Tinker Kit 2023. The first thing I'm going to need out of my kit is the embroidery hoop. We use this embroidery hoop for a couple projects in this kit, including the tambourine that we're going to make right now. So grab your embroidery hoop, grab a few of these paper clips. You can use 3 or 4, and break out those bells. It's gonna be a party in here, all right? You need 3 or 4 of those bells for your tambourine. And the last thing you need is a piece of paper. Now, of course, we've included a nice 8.5 by 11 sheet with the invention key, but I wanna warn you that this project requires some cutting. And if you have not yet solved the riddle on the inside of your box, you may want to be careful about how you cut out this page. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use this for a demonstration, but you can actually use any paper you want for your tambourine. And you can take time and color a beautiful picture, get creative with it and make that tambourine really pop. But yes, you can use any paper you want for this. It doesn't have to be the invention key. So the first thing I'm going to do to make my tambourine is unscrew right here the threads and pop out my embroidery hoop into 2 pieces. All right. Next, I'm going to sandwich my page in between both sections like this. Does that work for you? All right. You could do the reverse and have some inventions on top if you wanted, but it should feel nice and tight, just like that, all right? And I cut around the outside. You want to leave a little bit of room. Don't cut so close to the edge that we don't have room to attach our bells, because that's the last step and maybe the most important to get a proper tambourine sound. I'm gonna keep cutting around the edge here, and voila. Does yours look like this so far? Yeah, you can tighten up the thumb screw there. Oh yeah, there we go. That's looking good. I'm gonna save this scrap. And last, let's attach these bells. So the way you're going to do that is by threading them onto each paper clip, all right? Shouldn't be too fussy, but if your bells are small, this may take a moment and a little patience to get those threaded on, all right? And once you do have them in place, you can attach your paper clip to the fringe around the outside, just like this. Now I found, while making my tambourine the first time, that I get the best result when the paper clip is, when the bell is actually right up against the edge. Yeah, you get the loudest jangle that way. I'm gonna do one more. You could do 3 or 4 of these. I love that I've got different colored paper clips to make it kind of a rainbow here. And make sure your bell is threaded all the way down so it doesn't fly off when you're jamming. There we go, like that. I'm gonna attach one more here to the edge and line it up so that the bell is right up against it. How did your tambourine turn out? Was that fun? All right, it's gonna be a party here in this Tinker Kit, I guarantee you. We've got some other projects that are gonna really shake things up. We'll see you in the next video, Tinker.